Alright guys, welcome to my layout. This is going to be the Jack Jack Pro Part 2 switch contest. And we're going to start off right away with the actual timestamp. It is January 23rd. I'll write it in. (2018) and it's 10:01 p.m. Alright, so this is going to be our switch list that we're going to be working off today. Train is going to be NX3. NX3 is going to leave the lower Bridgeport yard, and we're going to go over to the west end of Bridgeport. We're going to be taking two cars over there. We're going to be taking a Great Northern Hopper, which is a load. We're also going to be taking a Vermont rail car, which is also a load. The Hopper is going to be going to Bridgeport Coke, and the box car is going to be going to West End Lumber. If you look on the remarks on the switch list, the box car needs to be placed against the bumping block. And also, this is going to be, actually, it's all shaded in blue, so this is going to be our first switch job. The green is our second. So try to keep it organized. There's also 3 cars in the west end that need to be respotted. So we have a reefer at Bresky's. So we're going to need to respot that. In order to get the cars into West End Lumber, West End Lumber and Bresky's share the same track. So, and on top of that, we need to respot. There's 2 existing loads in there right now for the West End, and we need to respot those. We need to respot 4194 second and the 34006 third. All right, so that's going to be our first switch. The next thing we're going to have to do is switch out Remington. So we're going to go into Remington. We're going to be pulling 2 cars out of Remington. In addition to that, we're going to be taking 4 cars out of East Bridgeport siding, and everything is going to the yard. We're not dropping anything off at Remington, we're just pulling. So the first car we're going to pull is actually a ammo car, 9231. It's in Remington. It's on the opposite side of Remington, so we're going to have to run around, do a run around to pick it up. And I'll show you what we're going to do with that. If you notice on the notes, it says, since it's an ammo car, it's full of ammunition, we're going to be placed at 3 cars behind the engine for obvious reasons. We also have a empty tank car in Remington, and we're going to be pulling that out as well. So we also have 4 cars coming out of East Bridgeport siding. Where Remington is, we also have Brothers Milling, but Brothers Milling placed a blue flag on their siding. They don't want us to remove the flag. Obviously, we can't touch it or move the flat car that's on their siding, so that's off limits. So when we go over there, most likely we will see a blue flag up at the Brothers Milling siding. So let's go over to the engine, and then we'll do our brake test before we go. All right, so we're at our engine. We're going to be using RS11 1412, and we have our engineer that's in the engineer's compartment, and in the cab rather, and we also have our simulated conductor outside the engine. So first thing we're going to check is the brake shoes. Make sure the brake shoes are good on both trucks, and they are. We're going to check the oil, we're going to check the fluids, and we're also going to check the radiator water. We're going to assume all this is checked out. Now we're going to move into our startup sequence. Okay, so we're going to check the forward light first. Forward light is good. Check the rear light. Rear light's good. We'll check the bell. Bell's good. I'm going to check the horn. And the horn is good. Alright, so now we're going to release the independent. We're going to set the train. We're going to bail it off. And we're going to reapply the independent. Alright, our brake test is good. We are clear to go. The yard master has given us a green light. We're all set to go. We're going to depart the yard this time. All right, I'll see you over in West Bridgeport. All right, red zone. All right, 14-12. I'm clear to red zone. Drag 2 cars to the top of the switch. We got 1 car. Half. 10. 5. That's good. All right, 14-12. Get a good PLG shove. Shove about 5 cars to make a cut. Four cars. Three cars. 2 cars. 1 car. Half. 20. 10. And that will do. All right, red zone. All right, 14-12. I'm clear to red zone. Drag 4 cars to the top of the switch. Three cars. 2 cars. 1 car. Half. 20. 10. 5. And that will do. Alright, 1412. I got two good PLGs. Shove about 5 cars to make a join. Four cars. All right, 1412. Pull ahead 1.5 cars to the top of the switch. Half. 10, 5, and that will do. That will do. Alright, we got a good PLG. Shove 5 cars, make a join. Four cars. Three cars. 2 cars. 1, half, 20, 10, and that will do. Alright, 1412. Shove about 1 car to make another join. Half, 20, 10, 5, and that will do. All right, 1412, give it a stretch. All right, that'll do. All right, 1412. Drag about 8 cars to the top of the switch. Seven cars. Six cars. Five cars. Four cars. 3 cars. 2 cars. 1 car. A half. 20, 10, 5, and that will do. All right, 1412. Shove around 6 cars to make a cut. 5 cars. 4 cars. 3 cars. 2 cars. 1 car. A half. 10. 5. And that will do. All right, red zone. $14.12 and clear the red zone. Drag 3 cars to the top of the switch. Two cars, 1 car, a half, 10, 5, and that will do. All right, 14-12. We're gonna shove. We're gonna shove around 8 cars to the bumping block. Shove 8 cars to the bumping block. Very good PLG. Seven cars. 6 cars. 5 cars. 4 cars. 3 cars. 2 cars. 1 car. A half, 10, 15, 5, and that will do. All right, red zone. All right, 14-12. I'm clear of the red zone. Drag 8 cars to the top of the switch. One car. 2 cars. 3 cars. 4 cars. 5 cars. 6 cars. 7 cars. Half, 10, 15, 5, and that will do. All right, 14-12. I got a good PLG. I'm gonna shove around 4 cars to make a join. Three cars. 2 cars. 1, half, 10, 15, And that will do. Alright, red zone, I'm going to disconnect the caboose. $14-12, and clear the red zone. Drag around 5 cars to the top of the switch. Four cars. 3 cars. 2 cars. 1. A half. 10. 5. 6. That'll do. Alright, 14-12. I got a PLG. Shove around 8 cars. 8 cars to make a cut. Seven cars. 6 cars. 5 cars. 4 cars. 3 cars. 2 cars. 1 car. A half. 20. 15. 10. 5. And that will do. Alright, red zone. Alright, 14-12. I want you to drag 1 car to make a cut. Drag easy. Half. 15, 10, 5, 2, and that will do. $14-12, just shove around 10 feet back. That will do. Red zone. $14-12 and clear the red zone. Drag 3 cars to the top of the switch. Two cars. 1 car. A half. 15, 10, 5, and that will do. Alright, 14-12. We got a good PLG. Shove around 8 cars to make a join. Seven cars. 6 cars. 5 cars, 4 cars, 3 cars, 2 cars, 1, half, 20, 10, and that will do. All right. All right, 1412. Drag around 5 cars to the front of Waterbury Pen. Four cars, 3 cars, 2 cars, 1, half, and that will do. Okay guys, so this is going to conclude part 1 of the switching contest video. We're going to do the second half of the switch list, which will consist of Remington. Alright, we're all set up to go. So part 2 will have Remington. So thanks for watching part 1.